Hello everyone. I'm going to teach you about how to put a message on your funnel for your virtual events, which maybe your guests can't log in because they didn't know the password. So um, we'll put um, we'll put it under emails. We'll send them some emails. So we have to go to our dashboard, IMG Dominate Tool. So here I have already my IMG Dominate tool. So how we can put the email, how we can put the email is go to My Funnels. If you already created your virtual events. So if you haven't created your virtual events, you have to go to virtual events and create. And then after your virtual event, then you have create your funnel. So with your funnel, so you can see here email sequence. So for example, the stock investing we have earlier. So I'll just click on the email sequence because my guests also didn't had a chance to go. They are in the waiting room. So here we have the email sequence already created by IMG. So there's 12 hours before they already registered before the event. So 4 hours, 15 minutes, 0 minute on subscribe, and then the day after they subscribe. So here we need to add a new email sequence. So we'll just write meeting a webinar password. And then how many minutes you want them to receive it. So for me, I want it before starting. So maybe 15 minutes before it starts. So subject will be webinar password. So here we say hello. Congratulations. Meeting ID for stock market investing 101. That's the meeting ID. So it was 87542600942. So password 0001. Oh no, sorry, got it wrong. 91077 and the password 027457. And then you can also reminder to log in. Please rename your name underscore inviter's name and location. Regards, Jane. So write your name so that they will know who invited them. And that's it. So you can click here for the name of the attendee. So, and just save changes. Now here you will see the one you create, so webinar password. So they will receive two, you can write here or 10 minutes before starting or anything. So if they won't be able to go inside the webinar, at least they have the password. You already send it to them. So that's it. Thank you very much.